Hello all, welcome again. I'm going to show you how to make a very simple cauliflower for saute with minimal ingredients, which is very healthy. It doesn't have too many things in it. It's quite bland and it's very likable by the kids. So now I have made the cauliflower into florets. I have washed them with water. Here I have water boiling. It must be around 1.5 liters of water in a heavy stainless steel kadai. Now I'm gonna add 2 spoons of salt in the boiling water and add this cauliflower florets, and the heat gets reduced the minute you add the cauliflower, because the cauliflower is quite cold and it came straight from the fridge. Now the minute water boils, you can actually switch off the stove, close it and keep for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now I have strained the cauliflower from the water. It should not be fully cooked, it should just be blanched and it looks slightly translucent. Now I have kept the same kadai, rinsed it with water, kept the same kadai for sauteing. Right, now we will add very little amount of oil. It will be around 3/4 of a tablespoon. And now here I have kept one red chilli and powdered hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now I'm going to add this in this oil. I have basically used groundnut oil. You can use any oil that you usually use. Now it is smoking. It's essential that the mustard splutters, and I usually cover it with a lid because I don't want my kitchen to be dirtied. Now the mustard spluttering has almost stopped. So at this stage, we add the cauliflower. Keep the flame in low. We have already added salt while we blanched it. So we only need very little amount of salt. I have used Himalayan pink salt. Just use slightly below half spoon of salt. I have added very less. If you want, you can add more to your taste. Just saute this. This only takes about a minute. Saute this. If you want, you can cover and keep in a low flame for about 40 seconds, and then again saute it. See to it that it doesn't get burnt and it doesn't get overcooked, because overcooked cauliflower again it tastes weird. The best way to cook cauliflower is to have a bite to it. So now the heat is reduced. It is sauteed. The whole process takes only about 2 minutes. Now this is done completely. It has a nice bite to it and it's not at all bitter. Basically you can do a variant of using chili powder instead of red chilies. It is done and I have switched off the stove. This is how it looks, and my daughter loves it. So children usually love such bland food. It's not very spicy. This method of making cauliflower is basically like a stir fry, but stir fry is made with high heat, but this is done in very low heat so as not to burn the cauliflower. That is it. Thank you very much for watching and happy cooking.